the best way to do that might be to do a little comparison. We're going to do this as a time lapse. This is the time it takes to set up a BlogBeast blog compared to how long it takes to set up a Facebook and WordPress blog.
It's pretty obvious how easy and how fast the system makes the entire setup process. Truthfully, WordPress doesn't even stand a chance, and the setup time for a BlogBeast blog is even a bit faster than the setup time for, get this, a Facebook page, with the important difference being that once you set up a BlogBeast blog, you're ready right away to do more than kind of just socialize with your friends. With the BlogBeast, you're ready to get making money and build your business right away.
So right now we're going to go through and talk about exactly where and how the system helps you avoid the blogging blunders, the ones they went over in the first video. So what we're going to start with is we're going to start with the different types of posts that you can make inside their new platform. So I've got text posts, audio posts, image posts, and video posts. So just to show just a quick text post just to start. So I'm going to click on the text button here, and then I can immediately just end up putting in my message title. So I'm going to end up saying, let's say, this is my first post. And I can put in just some descriptions, some descriptive text, whatever I want my post content to be. So I'm just going to put just something simple here just to demonstrate. So I've already created the title, I've already created the description. Now I get to choose who I'm actually going to have see that, because one of the things that we've done inside the new platform is allow you to be able to create things that are both going to be published to your blog, but we've also created some kind of social sharing features within the platform to where people who are have just purchased certain products can see just those other kinds of posts. So I'm just going to start by just dropping down. I'm going to select my public blog just to start. So I've got my public blog selected. And then one of the other things that we've done is we've actually allowed you to have multiple blogs. So we get an Empower Network blog by default. We can create additional blogs that you can all manage from the same Empower Network account. And we'll get to that here a little bit more in a minute. So I'm going to start just out with the My Empower Network blog. Then I can choose a blog category. We're demoing, so I'm going to choose the demo category. And then we actually automatically fill in different SEO options based off of what you've actually entered in for your description and your message text. So if I look at the meta tags, the keyword tags, and meta description, it's already done some things for us. We're analyzing it for you to be able to help get you SEO options that are out there. And so really that's all there is to creating your first post. So I click publish. It actually just published out to my website. It also shows into my activity feed so I can kind of see what's going on. And it's already out there on the web for people to see.
That is something that's attractive to me because it's so simple. I can think back when I was working and building some of my other blogs, it was very difficult to embed different video code, and I had to decode or recode or whatever you call that when you translate code into something that will actually show up on the blog. And embedding a picture or an audio into my blog was something that was so foreign to me, it was almost like another language. So that allowed somebody, and just clarified for me, to easily be able to choose what type of media that they want to post to their blog.
Sure, absolutely. Probably the best way to show how easy it is just for me to do one here real quick. So let's just say that we're going to do a YouTube one to start. So I go and click Add Video, Embed from URL. I've already got a YouTube URL that I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and just click Add Video. It's already there. It's already loaded up in the platform.
Wow.
Yeah, wow. It's really just that simple.
Wow, that's cool, man.
No more having to go out and figure out what embed code to use, what JavaScript or whatever to try to put into it. We just have had the entire thing completely integrated right into the platform.
Getting that to the right size actually used to take me like 5 minutes on the first blog that I have online. Now, one thing that I want to point out for everybody watching it is that this is already set up. The person didn't have to install any plugins. They didn't have to run around the internet looking for software to buy. They didn't have to optimize anything on the front of their blog to make it look right. The blog is actually already set up. We did that earlier when we were setting up the Facebook account looking thing, only it was a little bit faster. And he's just posting to the blog without adding any additional plugins, without having to optimize anything, literally in less time than it takes to cook a pancake.
And that's really interesting because yesterday we were talking, or in the last video, to a woman who just literally, that's what she wanted to do, was to be able to, and she actually wanted to do it with her mobile phone. We may be able to showcase something like that later on. Who knows? We'll save it.
You remember actually Amber? She spent $2,000 on her website and still couldn't put video onto it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And here she's done it in like 2 seconds. So already as we've been talking, Casey's just made that video post.
And now it's live on your blog is what you're saying.
Yeah, already live YouTube, it's already properly formatted, it's already sized out, so you don't even have to worry about it. And you get to see it in your activity feed, but it's already been replicated out to your blog site. But wait, there's more. It actually gets even easier than that, because we've tightly integrated the media hosting product along with the blog. So if you're managing your library of videos that you're going to end up publishing on the web, or just any kind of video that you're going to use.
You know what I'm honestly blown away by, Dave, looking at this? My mom could have done that. You know, literally, my mom has never had a website because it's so complicated. She doesn't have a Facebook account. She could have done that in 30 seconds.